everyone, my name is Joy, licensed nail technician, and I want to show you all today how to use castor oil on rough, dry heels. So I've got my castor oil here. A couple of things about using this oil is it's actually very good for if your heels are cracked and they're painful. It's got some properties in it that help reduce pain. It's actually good as an antifungal, and it will help moisturize the dry, cracked heels. So what you want to do, and I usually recommend using any oil at nighttime because it can get a little bit messy. Do this before bedtime, before you put your socks on. Just take a little bit and you just, very simple, just massage it in. And the massage will feel really good if your heels are cracked and, a little bit painful. Just be very gentle with it, and it helps it to absorb. Okay, just massage that in. Follow up with your socks. It's a natural oil, something that you can use every day, and it'll be very helpful to resolving the cracks and reducing the pain. So try this. I hope it works out for you, and thank you guys for watching. My name is Joy. Bye.